all, welcome to Champion Mindset Education. In today's video, we'll learn about the next curve shape, that is circle. Okay, we'll learn about circle and the various properties and concepts of circle. So let's start. First we'll learn with what is circle. Circle is a closed curve. We have seen different types of curves in our previous video. Circle is a closed curve where all points on the circle are at same distance from a fixed point. So suppose this is a circle, okay, and if this is the point, it is a fixed point O, then all points on the circle, anywhere on the circle, have the same distance from the fixed point. Okay, these distances are same. Circle is a closed curve. It is closed where all points on the circle are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Same distance from a fixed point. Okay. Now, what is this fixed point called? This is the center of circle. This is center of circle. Center of circle. The center of circle is a point from which all the points on the surface of circle are equidistant. So, suppose this O for the circle, O is the center of circle, then any point from the center to the surface of circle on the circle have the same distance. So, the distance here OP will be same to OQ. Okay. So, this is known as O is the center of circle. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, the next is radius of circle. Radius of circle is a line segment joining center of circle to any point on the surface of the circle. This is a line segment which joins the center of circle to any point on the surface of circle. So here in this circle we can say OP, OQ. These are radius of circle. These are radius of circle, and we know that the value of OP is same as OQ because the value from the center to any point on the circle is same. So radius is a line segment which joins the center of circle to the any point on the surface of circle on the circle. Okay, this is radius. Radius is represented with R. We represent radius with letter R. So for a circle, suppose OQ is 2 centimeter, then we can say the radius of circle is R equals to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, next we have diameter. This is center O, and we have to learn about diameter. Diameter is a line segment. Again, diameter is a line segment passing through the center of circle. It passes through the center of circle and end points, okay, lies on the boundary of the circle, and the end point of the diameter lies on the boundary of the circle. So this is A, this is B. Diameter always passes from the center of circle and end points lies on the circle. So AB is the diameter of this circle. Okay, and now you can understand what I am saying is OB, center of circle to any point on the circle, is radius of circle. Okay, again OA is the radius of circle. Then what I can say is diameter of circle, which is represented as D, is 2 times the radius of circle. So suppose for this circle the radius is 2 centimeter. Then the diameter of circle will be 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter. 2 times the radius of circle. So the formula for diameter is diameter equals to 2R, that is diameter equals to 2 times the radius of the circle. This is diameter. Next is circumference. We know what is circumference. Circumference is the, we can say, perimeter of circle. Circumference is the perimeter of circle. So, perimeter in the sense the length of the boundary of the circle. So the length of this complete part, this part, the boundary of circle is the circumference of the circle. This is the circumference of the circle. Circumference is the length of the boundary of the circle. Okay, this is circumference. These all parameters, these all properties you have to keep in your mind, because there are questions which are asked around this. Okay, and these are also very important to calculate the area of circle. What is the circumference of circle? If they will give you radius and they'll ask you find out the diameter of circle. This type of questions are asked, and it is very important to understand what is radius, what is diameter, what is circumference. Okay, now the next is chord. Next is chord. What is chord? Chord is any line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference. So we know this is the circumference. This is the circumference of the circle. Okay, and the line segments. Suppose we have C, D. Okay, any line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference of circle. A line segment that join any 2 points on the circumference of circle is a chord. So here CD is a chord. It is joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle. If I am drawing here, suppose N, M. So N, M is again a chord of the circle, because it is joining 2 points on the circumference of circle. So here C, D, N, M, these are chord of the circle. Again, AB is also a chord of the circle. It is diameter. It is diameter of circle, but it is again joining 2 points on the circumference of circle. So AB is also the chord of circle, and it is diameter. So this, it says that diameter is the biggest chord of circle. For a circle, its diameter is it is biggest chord of circle. Diameter is always a biggest chord of circle. Okay, so you understand what is chord? Chord is a line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference of circle, and diameter is always the biggest chord of the circle. Okay, longest chord of the circle. Now next is arc of circle. Arc of circle. Okay, suppose we have a circle O, we have a point P and Q. Arc is a part of a circle. Arc is part of a circle. For this circle P and Q, this part is a part of a circle. So arc is nothing but a part of a circle, and it is represented as, so it is represented as this sign. With this sign we represent arc. Here it will show as PQ. Okay, so in this case PQ is the arc of the circle. Now you can say this is one arc of the circle. Again, if I'll take from the opposite direction, from here to here, then this is again another arc of the circle. For the same circle, this is one, and this one is another arc of the circle. So we have minor arc and the major arc. So PQ, this is smaller in length, so this is minor arc of circle, minor arc. And if I'll consider this PQ, then it is major arc of circle. Okay, arc we represent it like this. It is a part of a circle. Okay, so here PQ, this part is a minor arc, and this one is the major arc of the circle. Okay, now next we have sector. Sector of circle. Sector of circle is nothing but the region bounded by the arc of circle and two radii of a circle. So suppose if I'll draw a line segment O to P, this is a radius because starting from the center of circle and joining any point on the circumference of the circle. So this is one radius, this is OQ is another radius, right? Now a region which consists of an arc of a circle and two radii of the circle. So this part which consists of an arc of a circle and two radii of a circle is known as a sector of a circle. Again, here we have two sectors. This is the smaller sector, and if I'll take this part, this is a bigger sector. Okay, so what we can say is this is major sector and this is minor sector. Okay, so for sector also we have major sector, minor sector. Sector consists of arc along with two radii of a circle. The region which consists of arc and a two radii of circle is known as a sector of circle. This is a smaller sector is known as minor sector, and the larger sector, bigger sector is known as a major sector. Okay, now next is segment of circle. We have learned about chord of circle. What was chord? A line segment that joins any 2 points on the, suppose this PQ, a line segment that join any 2 points on the circumference of the circle is known as a chord of circle. And here if I'll say PQ is a chord of circle, and if I'll see here PQ, this PQ, it's an arc of circle, right? So a area region bounded by the chord of circle and the arc of circle is known as a segment of circle. So this is segment of circle. It consists of a chord and the arc. What is different between sector and segment? In sector it was arc, okay, arc along with radii, okay, along with radii of circle. In segment this is sector, okay, this is sector of circle. In segment it is arc along with chord of circle. Okay, so this is segment of circle. This is difference between sector and segment. The region bounded by the chord of circle along with arc of circle is known as a sector of circle. Similarly, like sector, we have minor sector and major, a minor segment and major segment. Here also we were having minor sector and major sector, but sector consists of radii and segment consists of chord. Okay, that's the difference between sector and segment. Now the next part is semicircle. You all must be knowing what is semicircle. Semicircle is nothing but the half of a circle. If this is a circle and this is the center of circle, okay, this is the center of circle O. If I'll draw diameter here AB, then this diameter has divided the circle into two halves. This part one circle and this part another half of the circle. So semicircle is nothing but the half of a circle. Diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. These two equal parts of a circle is known as a semicircle of circle. Okay, semicircle is quite very easy. Now the last property or last concept here is concentric circle. Concentric circle. Concentric circles, two or more circles with same center. So suppose this is the center O and this is circle with the center O. Okay, I'm drawing another circle with the same center, taking into account the same center. Another circle with the same center. Here the radius is 2 centimeter, here the radius is 4 centimeter, and here the radius is 6 centimeter. Okay, but all the circle have the same center. Okay, when two or more circle have same center but different radius, obviously they'll have different radius. If they'll have the same radius, they will be overlapping on each other. Here the radius is 2 centimeter, here it is 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, but the center is same. So this type of circle are known as concentric circle. The circle having same center but different radius are known as concentric circle. Okay, these are all the different properties of circle. These are very important. You should understand this. This will really help you to solve the problems. Okay, what all we have learned? Starting with, we have learned what is circle. We have learned radius of circle. Okay, diameter of circle, chord of circle, circumference of circle, arc. Okay, then we have learned sector, segment of circle. Okay, semicircle and concentric circle. I hope all these concepts are clear now. You have understand what is radius, what is diameter, what is chord. Okay, now in exam they might ask you different types of questions, on simple questions on this. So let's take one or two example. So suppose they have given us a circle here. Here the center is given as A, and they have PQ, K, QA, RS here. Then they have TU and UV. Okay, and what they have asked us in the given figure, PQ, TU and UV are dash of circle. We know PQ, TU, UV, these are the chord of circle, because this is a line segment which is joining 2 points on circumference of the circle. Again, if they would have given us RS as well, then RS is also the chord of circle. We can say that. So these are all chord of circle, right? If they would have given us like this, then we would say these have been arc of circle. So PQ, TU, UV, with the signatures, they are arc of circle. Okay. Let's take another example. So suppose this is a circle with the center as O, this is AB, PQ as chord here, R, and BR is connected. And they have asked which of the following option is incorrect. We have to find out the incorrect option here. We have to take the incorrect option here. So the first option they have given is OA equals to OB equals to OR. Okay, the second one is OR equals to half of AB. Third is PQ is a chord. And the fourth one is AB is smallest chord. Now we have to find out the incorrect option here. Now OA, OB, OR, we know these are all the radius of circle, because it is a line segment which is joining the center of circle to any point on the circumference of circle, and radius is always of the same length. So this one is correct. This is not our answer. OR equals to half of AB. Now AB is a diameter of circle, because it is a line segment which is joining 2 points on the circumference of circle, and it is going through the center of circle. It's half of OR. OR is half of AV. OR is the radius, and we know diameter equals to 2r, that is radius is always half of diameter. So here OR is the radius and it is half of AB. So this is correct again. Okay. PQ is a chord. We know PQ is a chord. That's very simple. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle is a chord. So this is also correct. Now we are left with only last option, that is AB is the smallest chord. AB is the smallest chord. AB is the diameter of a circle, and what we have learned is diameter is the biggest chord to a circle. Diameter is always to a biggest chord to the circle. So this one is incorrect. So our answer is number 4. Okay. This type of questions they asked in exam, even in Olympiad exams and all other exams, they'll ask this type of questions. It's very important to understand different concepts of circle, learning different concepts of circle. Okay. If you are liking my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. Till that time, thank you for watching. Keep studying, keep learning. Thank you.